What's up, everybody? Here's my 2007 6-speed E60 M5. Gonna do a throttle booster. Saw a few guys running these. So there's another company that makes these, but I chose Dinan just because they got an app and everything. Gonna check it out, do a quick installation and a review, and take you guys along. So this is the box that it comes in. Pretty straightforward. Some instructions, the actual computer for it, and remote. Alright, let's get on with it. It shouldn't be too hard. Should be pretty straightforward. You got a little cap to remove right here. Looks like it's a 5 socket, just like this, the Allen wrench style. There you go. First, you want to disconnect the battery. Anything you do messing around with electrical, you always just want to disconnect it just to be safe. Pretty straightforward. It lifts up just like this, and the connector is just a quick push on both sides. Cables are pretty simple, comes with 2. The male or the female goes into the car here, and then the male one goes into the pedal, and then you just hide this up there. And the remote is actually wireless, which is really dope. So you just put on some 3M and stick it on somewhere over here. I'm gonna actually take off this screw here, take off this panel and put it underneath there. That's how I'm gonna route it. First screw is out, second one is right here. Stuck both wires in the back here with the computer, and make sure the pedal has full range of motion, there's nothing in the way. All right, we can reassemble everything. Of course, connect the battery back together. All right, let's get her fired up. First feelings about it. I know it's not like a performance mod, you don't get no horsepower or anything, but if you're into like that draggy stuff, you'll see a difference in your times, that's for sure. Because the pedal just reacts so much faster. So it's pretty nice. It was like 240 bucks or something like that off their site. And I don't know if it's worth it. It's not that bad, it just feels a little different. Definitely more responsive in the beginning, you know. There's no acceleration lag. Pretty nice. I like it. Definitely feel a difference. In non-M mode, there's like no difference. I don't know if the ECU overwrites it or something. I don't know. But it's like instant in M mode. We're on the Autobahn right now. Overall, I like it. Easy installation. Super easy. And they got instructions if you don't understand anything there. And just to end the video, let's do a little quick pull, second gear. Let me know what you guys think. Leave some comments below if you have any questions. If you want me to make any other videos or something, hit me up in the comments section. I'll be reading them. For now, good night. Good night, S85.